Today, you already know what the game plan is.
This life is full of thrills.
Hog fish.
Are you ready?
So we're gonna get down here.
I said,
We're gonna see what we can do, man.
ready?
We got a bucket full of live shrimp.
My love is a wild ride, crazy in love. But tell me what it's like.
We're gonna be looking for hogfish mainly. Delicious hogfish. We're gonna be looking for these mangrove snappers right there. Maybe a lane. Maybe a dog. Maybe a school master. What we really going for today? Welcome back aboard the Double Eagle. We're coming back at you with another one. Coming for those illustrious hogfish. That's what we came for today. So you guys stick around and hopefully we can bring in 2 or 3 of them. Last time I was on this boat, I caught 4 cheetahs. So we're gonna see what we can do today, and we'll get back with you. We are looking to get some beautiful hogfish on this beautiful day. So I got my gear right here. I got a bucket full of shrimp, and we're about to make this thing happen. So see you later on the hogfish. All right, so I started off the trip with a couple grunts. If you know anything about the party boats and you know anything about the spots, the most abundant fish in this area is the grunt. So mostly what you're going to be catching on party boats is grunts, like you see one coming up here. Mostly what you'll catch is grunts, but like I said, you have opportunities to catch gag grouper, red grouper, all types of groupers, all types of snappers, and obviously hogfish. So I think that these budget trips on these party boats like the Double Eagle are the best thing that can happen to you. Best budget and the best fishing, if you ask me. So most places run a 5-hour trip for about $50 or $60, and they run a 10-hour trip for about $90 to $100. So, bro, this dude was wild in the whole trip. Look how dramatic. I probably caught at least 40 grunts. I gave all the grunts away to the elderly. Grunts are one of the most delicious fish when you deep fry them. So grunts are a delicious fish. Do not get out there and be upset because you caught only grunts. You're going to go home with at least 40 grunts if you're keeping them. I just was fishing for hogfish and snappers, so I just wanted to give all my grunts away. But as you can see on this bite right here, I already know what it is. Watch my face. It don't take long to feel that hog. Watch this. You can feel it when it's pulling. So I'm trying to be easy with it. Like I said, most of the time when the hogs bite, the hook ends up in the corner of their mouth, not the tip of the lip. I'm not sure why. Maybe because they eat the shrimp from the side, or they nibble on the shrimp and they got to get the hook all the way to the corner of the mouth. But most of these hogs get hooked good and they get flipped over the rail.
Yes, sir. Keeper. We got a keeper this time. What is that? Nice. Yes, sir. Nice meal. Yes, sir.
All hogfish are born females. When they get around 14 to 15 inches is when they turn into a male. So all keeper hogfish usually are males. And this is a nice, big, beautiful male that is going to turn into a nice, big, beautiful meal. That's what I came for. I told y'all. That's your hogfish master right here, Brent Billis.
Beautiful fish.
15, 16.
There's a lot of them down.
So I got excited because I thought this was 2 hogs in a row. Most of the time when I go out with the Double Eagle and I catch hogs, I get them back to back. But this actually was a porgy. If you look at the porgy's body shape, it has a wider body shape as well. So when you're bringing it up, you're kind of fighting it towards, on the side, trying to pull up the flat part through the water. And that's why it's hard to fight. But porgies are delicious, white meat.
That's my favorite fish.
Like I said, they got a grunt and a porgy off that spot.
Yeah, I know. That's my favorite.
See about the next spot.
That's my favorite.
one? I think 12. One of some big ones down there.
Oh, I'm sure there are, man.
Mango? Oh. He's fat.
Oh, it's a group. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Come on, bro.
What the hell is this fish fly? I don't think so.
You're a drama queen, bro. You're a drama queen, bro. You want your group or bring it? Bring it. Bring it. You're not gonna leave them. Come on, drama queen. Bring it. Bring it. Was you letting the rock? Don't let the rock go. Big it, boy. Man, finally. That's a mango. Oh, my God. Keep bringing. Don't move. That's it. Yeah. Bring it on here. Over here. Bring it over here. That's a grouper right there, but it's not a keeper. Man, imagine you get the keeper, you're gonna poop on your pants. Look at that, man. You got your little jacket. He won grouper. There you go.
You missed the show.
Man, this guy's a
I seen him. I was up there tying him a rig. Yeah, he was fighting, wasn't he?
Yeah, he's a drama drama.
Yeah, that's it.
Hold the tail.
I'm literally about to put my bed.
Hold the tail. Now go ahead first.
Oh my god.
Bring it like a man.
Okay, that's better. Not bad there. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. He using the right bait.
Yeah,
Another grouper?
what you got? You don't know what you got?
I'm just closing my eyes. I'm gonna take that. Oh my god, I think it's a grouper.
Another grouper.
Oh my god, oh my god.
He's the grouper slayer.
It's heavy. It's heavy.
Grouper slayer here. Grouper slayer. Right here, bro. Right here, bro. Right here, bro. Man, what a day on the water. I was able to catch 2 hogs. I was able to catch some mangroves. I was able to catch some black snapper. See, that's why I'm saying the budget trips, as far as your, I'm sorry about the wind, but as far as your budget trips, your party boats, it costs me $100 to get on boats like this. You come out, pay your $100, 10 hours, bring your own bait, bring your own rods, and you can catch whatever you like, especially if you know what you're doing. So these budget trips, like this double eagle trip that I come on all the time, $90, I always go home with hogs. So yeah, that's why I like to take the double eagle, and that's why I like to take the party boat. And beautiful days, look at this. Beautiful days. All right, we almost back to the dock. We'll see when we get there. Just like that, we back. Just like that, we are back. And I got a bucket full of hogs. Good ones. Going in the cool.
2 hogs are the best. Yeah, he was only targeted exotic. Yeah, he got everything but a red grouper. Ready? Grand slam. So close. 2 hogs.
All right, so here we are with one of those gorgeous hogfish. We're about to fillet it up and pan sear it with a little sauce, but look at those teeth, man. That's what they use to burrow down in the sand, grab those shrimp and crustaceans with. Watch how I twerk this thing. All right, babe, you gotta be honest.
Is it gonna burn my mouth?
It's kind of hot, but it should burn. Be honest. What you think?
So good.
One more look. What you just do? She said, dee, 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 dee.